Brother, what I've seen on this set, you would love to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Carol!
Hello,
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, so we're filming to make you guys happy. It's really amazing. We have 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to keep telling someone to tell someone to tell someone. You know now, as they go now, no more. Ciao.
Hey, my name is Ebubedike 1 of School2. Yeah? If you are not watching School2, you are on a long thing.
We are now to 20,000 plus. Imagine, just because you made it happen. So we are saying, just keep telling someone else, keep telling them that we keep working right now on location. Keep bringing more videos, just keep telling people so that you join us, watch our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We say we love you, we say thank you.
Hey. So guys, we're still making you happy. What are we trying to do? We're trying to do more skits that will really crack up your ribs, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. We are so grateful, we're super excited. And don't forget to keep telling people to subscribe. Don't forget to keep tagging people. Don't forget to keep sharing our social media platforms. Thank you so much. We love.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's start the dance. The music.
Yes,
music.
yes, yes. We're going to dance outside. You don't want to miss it.
Let's go.
So thereful. I don't know the lyrics, but I like the song.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is School2 comedy behind the scene. That's what we should do. The only thing we say, I want me to subscribe. See, I'm a family man. I need to take care of my children. If you don't subscribe, how will I survive? Because no man, no better. They can't know that. All my mates are doing ritual. I refuse to do ritual. I am an actor. So please subscribe to School2.
Mike, I'm not the fees. For this School2, not even they ever they tell me to do. Fees, Mike, I'm not the fees. Okay, even to zip up for them, not one at the same. Imagine. Oh, that is my this one. I go tell me say, help me zip up. I go help you.
My name is Zini Mani. I'm Queen Zini. One queen is School2. We don't get to. And I appreciate your love, your support, and everything you've been doing for School2. We love you.
Keep watching School2 comedy. We love School2. Thank you for watching School2 comedy. Thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We love you. We appreciate you. Keep watching School2 comedy. And don't forget to keep subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for subscribing to School2 comedy. You know, all of a sudden we're over 20,000 subscribers. It's for you, for your help, for your support, for watching us. I want to say a big thank you. Keep watching School2. Tell someone, to tell another person, to tell your cousin, to tell your landlord, to tell your tenant to keep watching School2 because this is the best space you can have fun. And if you want to join us, School2.
Hey, yeah, no go dey do pass yourself.